you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new to this channel, you are so welcome. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a remedy that would help you to stop painful menses, okay, painful menstruation. Okay, so this home remedy is actually very simple. You might be like, are you sure it will? Well, it will. Just try it, you are gonna be good. Well, it is. They are all edible things, guys, but you might not know it, so I'm gonna be bringing it to your knowledge and I'm telling you that it's gonna work. Okay, now if you're actually gonna see your menses the next day, do not take anything sugary the day before or 2 or 3 days before. Okay, that will also help. And that's it. So if you want to know what it does comprises, please do continue watching and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video. Don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, let's dive into the video. Alright, so you'll be needing aloe vera to stop a very painful menses. Now if you're experiencing a painful menstruation and you're experiencing lumps of blood and thick blood and stuff, you're gonna be making use of aloe vera. Okay, aloe vera is vast, it's great for the skin, and it is consumable. Okay, so you can actually consume aloe vera, but it's actually bitter, but it's actually very great. And then you're going to also be making use of garlic. Yeah, now garlic is great for the body. It helps to flush out toxins. It will help to reduce the thick lumps of blood, and it will also help to relieve a painful menses. And to make this even better, you're going to also be making use of apple cider vinegar. Okay, so apple cider vinegar is one great ingredient that work fast into the skin. Okay, I have just a little of apple cider vinegar here. Now it will help to relieve your painful menses. Okay, let me show you how you're going to do this. So after preparing the garlic, then you're going to blend Alright, so this is great, and now we're just going to look at that, put it inside a cup. Prepare just a small piece of aloe vera. And then you put inside, you would prepare it. Zip, and then blend it. Okay, is blended, and when you blend aloe vera, the sliminess is gonna cut just like this. Okay, so now what you do is to turn it into the cup, and this is it. Now you put in your apple cider vinegar. Put in about 1 tablespoon. This is half tablespoon though. And then you now put in hot water. Alright, so this is your menstruation treatment. Alright, so you drink this whenever, before you see your menstruation, okay? So the thing is that if you know you will start seeing your period tomorrow, make this juice and drink it, okay? Let me have a taste and tell you how it tastes. Alright guys, so it's actually bitter, not very bitter, and a little bit pepperish. Okay guys, so when you drink this, guys, you are going to be having a painless menses. Like, you're not going to be experiencing any pain when you're seeing your period, and the blood is going to be like normal red, not lumpy, not strong, not thick, not draw. Okay, drink this. This is healthy though. All of the ingredients in it are healthy. The garlic, the apple cider vinegar, and the aloe vera. It is edible. So if you drink this, you are going to be loving it, okay? Just only when you want to see your period, a day before you want to see your period, then you drink this. Alright, so the secret is that don't take too much of sugary things, okay? Like soda and all of that. And ice cream. Take it, use it, and your painful menses is gonna go. Just like I earlier advised, you know, do not take too much of sugary things, be it tea and stuff. Do not put sugar in it, so that, you know, when you start menstruating, the pain wouldn't be severe, or you won't even feel pain at all. Okay, so that is it. If you did love the video, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to thumbs up the video, share this video, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and stay beautiful. Bye.